There will be a steady stream of economic news this week. Let's begin. In May, the New York Fed told us that household debt in the first quarter of 2023 topped the $17 trillion mark for the first time in history. In August, the New York Fed revealed that total credit card debt in the second quarter surpassed $1 trillion for the first time. In other news, we'll find out on Thursday if the apparent signs of loosening in the labor market evident in last week's government jobs report show up in this week's numbers for the initial jobless claims. For the week ended October 28, claims landed at 217,000, above economists' projections of 210,000. And the highest number of weekly claims in nearly 2 months. Analysts are expecting to see that number move even higher this week. They're forecasting 220,000 initial claims for the week ended November 4th, which could help validate the idea that real loosening in the job market is finally underway. Also this week, we'll be treated to 2 different measures of consumer sentiment. First up will be the release on Tuesday of the Economic Optimism Index for November. The index fell sharply last month from 43.2 in September to 36.3, just above its all-time low of 35.8 reached in August 2011. Forecasters aren't expecting much improvement this month, anticipating the index will land at 36.5. Just 0.2 of a point above the October number. The index has not come in above the 50 threshold since August 2021. Finally, on Friday, the University of Michigan will issue the preliminary reading of its Consumer Sentiment Index for November. The Michigan Index made news last month when it tumbled 6% from its September reading, down to 63.8. with nearly half of consumers saying inflation is eroding their living standards. As is the case with the Economic Optimism Index, analysts expect no more than a slight improvement this month, projecting the metric will increase by just 0.4 of a point. That's all for now. Check back with us on Saturday when we'll recap the week's biggest developments. This is Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.